Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday. It is a new week of challenges. So we have the mini challenges that we do every single Monday. We are trying to complete this photo album this year. We started it last year. We really want to finish it this year. It has been a slow start. We have not finished any challenges this year or as of January. So hopefully we can finish one today. Fingers crossed. I have $40 that we are going to be playing with. I thought I was going to have a little bit more money to put towards this challenge to finish some more. However, we had some issues with the plumbing and everything. So we did have to spend almost $300 on plumbing, and I will get into that whenever we start rolling. But yeah, so that is what we had to deal with this week. So anyways, before we get started, I do have two Happy Meals that I wanted to show you guys. So the first one is from Star Budget. So this is her members freebie challenge that she has sent out. I think I joined the $4.99 one. I'm probably going to bump up to the highest one, but this one's the $4.99 one, and I haven't checked Ko-Fi to see if anything else has popped up for the members only, but she sent this one out. This is the New Year Reset. It is super cute. It has fireworks and everything, and it is the mystery scratch off, and I absolutely love all of her mystery scratch offs. So this is from her members only one. So super excited to start that whenever I finish some scratch offs. And then next one and last one, I actually did win a giveaway. So this is from Beauty Mom Budgets. And I won a cute game, super cute. So this is a Christmas game. So it's bingo, and I absolutely love bingo, you guys. So this is bingo. It has multiple cards and it has chips. And I read a little bit of how to play, and she did explain how to do it as well on her giveaway video. So I think each card, it has a different denominations, and if you bingo, you add an extra $5 to the savings. So the total save is $155 to $205, which would be really good to go towards our $1,400 Christmas savings that Jared and I combined are planning on saving this year. So this is going to be super cute to play multiple times. So I'm probably going to play this for a couple of months. But yeah, so I'm super excited to play this. I'm probably going to start whenever I finish the Christmas scratch off on Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. And then she added some freebies. So this is a roll and save. So this is from her, the budget Beauty Mom Budgets. And this is just a roll and save. So I'm probably going to use it on either Freebie Friday or Monday. So this is super cute. And then also she included these blank little placeholders that I can write anything on. I could do $100, $50. I can say fully funded. And this is from Budgeting with Chloe. So it's really pretty. It's just black and white with some floral on it. But it's just blank. So super cute. But those are my Happy Meals. Of course, I'm going to link everybody down below. So let's go ahead and get started. So this weekend, my mom is down, like I have said, and we're starting right here with Cute Budgets. My mom is down, so we went Goodwill shopping, and guys, we scored at a Goodwill. So they were having their 50% off like furniture, and me and Jared was like walking around, and then Guys, I spotted a lawnmower, and it was like the Heart brand, which is, you guys know, is the Walmart brand. It's like the blue and the white one, and it's electric. We saw one. It was $30, but you couldn't test it because it didn't have any, what's it called? It didn't have a battery. So we borrowed my brother's back in October, and we still had it at the house. So we're like, okay, Jared, let's just chance it. It's $30. We can take it from our home fund, and we can try it out, see if it works. So we went to the register and went to the register, and it rung up 50% off. So we only paid $15, you guys, for it. So then we got home and we put the battery in, and it worked. Oh my gosh, you guys. We paid a $400 lawnmower for $15, and that is on my bingo card this year. To save that much money, like save $400 to get a new lawnmower, and we paid only $15. So what we need to do is actually just buy a battery, which is $164. So that is like incredible to have that. So that was a huge win this weekend. But however, we had to turn around. So our house, our washer is connected to our kitchen, the drainage. The washer is connected to the kitchen, which is connected to our dishwasher. And we were washing clothes, and then it started filling up the kitchen sink, which meant that there was something clogged up. And so we needed somebody to come out. Hanson could not come out until Tuesday, and we're like, we've got to like figure this out. And I reached out to like one of our Facebook groups, and I was like, need a reliable plumber in the area that can come today. There was a ton of recommendations, and one person like just messaged me out of the blue. I don't know. I don't like talking to strangers, and it just felt weird to talk to him, but he felt like, I looked at his profile, looked at his like company and everything, and he had great reviews. So I wasn't too worried or scared. So he said that he could come out today, like put us in and everything. He was like putting in a water heater first, and then he had to go and do like a faucet and everything. So he actually did not, we contacted him at 2:00 p.m. and he actually did not come out until like 9:30. And we're like, we even told him at like 7:30, I'm like, hey, if you're like tired, like you can just come back on Sunday, like after 4 if you want. He's like, no, we'll just make it a full work day, and we'll come out and we'll get it fixed and everything. Super nice guy. Him and Jared got along. They were chatting it up, and it was just great, you guys. So we fixed it. We paid an extra $50 because he said that he can put down some like chemicals, because he showed us on like the little camera when he put the drain down, all the gunk and stuff that's in our pipes. So he like put this like industrial chemical in there, and then he like fixed it up. That was like extra $50. So we had to pay $285 to get that all done. And thank God we had the money and everything, because I did not want to swipe my credit card. So we won on the lawnmower, but then we had to spend money on the plumbing. So that was our weekend. So hopefully nothing else happens this weekend, because I just need a good day. My brother is running in his marathon tomorrow, his first marathon ever at the beach. I'm hoping he does good. I'm hoping he plays in his division. He's been training really, really hard for it. So I'm going to go and cheer him on at the finish line. So I'm super excited about that. I am filming this on Saturday night, and you're watching this on Monday. So I'm probably going to recap the marathon probably on Tuesday. But anyway, so enough of me talking a lot. The first one is from Budgeting for Me. So each strawberry is $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10 on this one, which is awesome. I just looked behind me and I forgot that Oliver was at the door, and he's like sleeping. So I'm guessing I'm not bothering him with my mouth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. $10. So we completed probably like 2 rows. Or a row and a half. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. $26. That is awesome. Next one is mine. So this is the Flower Power. So each one is $2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. $8. That is awesome for a good start to all of my envelopes, to be honest. So $8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and each one is $2. So that is awesome. Let's see. I'm just gonna color these flowers real quick, and let me see if I can like do another update. What else? I've been posting on TikTok a lot, mostly on like grocery hauls, and I usually just post it on my YouTube shorts as well, which thank you guys for watching those. I actually have a lot of fun doing that. Let's see. I have been reposting my eBay stuff. So the items that I've had in my shop for like 2 years are getting reposted just for like better pictures, a better description. So those are getting reposted. I haven't had any luck selling anything this month because January is usually slow. I sold one item. Actually, I sold one item off of eBay and one item off of Mercari. One of the items off of Mercari was like $19 or $17. And then on eBay, I think it was like $5 and some change. So it's not really busy on February. The first 3 months of the year is usually not busy at all. So I'm just going to take this time and redo all of that. All right, so we still have an extra $1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So exactly $20, which is awesome. Next one is Hufflepuff. And we do have an extra $1 right here. So we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, so we can use this one. So we have $8, which is awesome. So let's do this bright yellow. And I think I'm just going to use the back of this notebook because I don't want it to bleed onto my desk. So $8. I don't think this is going to show up that well. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. So we are going to be completing a row, which is awesome. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. $20. Awesome. So we do need to do some cash condensing for the previous envelope and this envelope. Next one is from Mandy's budgeting items. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So $3. So we are going to go ahead and let's mark off the 2 to complete the first row and then the 1. So $3. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Awesome. Next one, which I believe we have completed. This is from Glow Budget, and we just need $2, I believe. Yep, $2. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to set this $2 aside. And we have completed. Awesome. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. $24. And we're going to go ahead and color the spaghetti one more time. So I have $2 extra. I do have to put $1 in the ding 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 challenge, but I think we're going to take that out of my fun money, I believe. But I'm not sure. We'll put this in the photo album, and let's see. I was going to pull a new one. Here is the new one. Let's pull something. This one. Okay, so this is the ghost one. I think this is from Mandy's budgeting item as well. So we will start this next week, and we will actually start it with the dog. So we'll start this at the very, very top. Perfect. And last but not least, we have Little Bo Peep. So we need 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We need $12. This does not look like $12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can add 9, 10. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's my thought process. I could put the $2 in here. I could. And then I will only need $2 next week. Either way, we will complete this next week. So should I go ahead and just put the $2 and run with it or not? 5, 6, 7, 8. Or, let's see. I think what I'm going to do, which there's always a chance that, let's go ahead and just do the $2 here, because since we're starting on the second challenge next week, I'm not sure if we will make it around. We probably would make it around a second round, but I just don't want to chance it. And we can definitely complete this next week. So we're going to put the $2 in this one. So we only need $2 to complete this. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Perfect. So we only need $2. All right, so that is it for these. Let's go ahead and grab this one. And this is our first completed challenge of 2025 and our last completed challenge of January. That's very sad, but it's okay. We're going to finish a lot more in February, so that would still be good. That is it, you guys. We are trucking along with this challenge. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Love you guys, and I will definitely put the dollar in the ding 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 challenge. I'll just take it from my fun money. I'll just do it off camera. But that is it. Have a great week. Have a great start to your week, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for a scratch off day. Bye, guys.